Hi, my name is Corey Fluxtra. And I have good news, slightly good news, not really good news itself, but it's good news for me. And bad news, we're just going to leave behind for now. We're not going to talk too much about bad news, except for my mom has cancer, and I'm going to have the darkest Christmas ever. It's not funny at all. It's not fun. It just really saddens my heart to see that Christmas is destroyed for me. So there's not much I can do about it. My dad doesn't know where my Christmas presents are at. He tried to find them. Mom says they're near the couch. But, anyways, they're near the couch, but they're not. You can't see them for some reason. My dad can't find them. So we went to the vet to bring my cat to the vet to bring the cat to the vet to bring the cat to the vet. Okay, I'm back to talking about the vet. It was a short. It was short, which is good. She did not have a bad disease or illness or sickness of any kind. She had what you call. Hold on a second. Got the facts right here. Ear mites. You see that little bug right there? That little shithole. That stupid bug. That bug better not come back either. But there's medicine for that. I got right here. And no, this is not illegal drugs that I'm taking. This is something for the cat. I don't do drugs. The only drugs I do are prescription drugs. And this is prescribed by a vet for the cat. You see? And it's it's strong smell. It's a little eardrop thing. It's not like pills or anything they get from. Yeah, those are annoying. I'm still on medication and it's just not funny. You know that? But this is for the cat because she has ear problems. She needs to have an ear. Yeah. And it comes in this little container that I have to quickly bring to the. Yeah. Yes, her name is Fliffy. Yep. But first, before we bring it back to the fridge, bring it back to the fridge. Take it to the fridge, Cranky. Walnuts, peanuts, pineapple. Okay, that's enough. This ain't Donkey Kong 64. Okay. This is not Donkey Kong 64, okay? This is not. I'm serious here. We're going to be reading about mites. Because she has ear mites. I think I'm saying it right. Okay. The ear mite, she's a scientific name is hard to pronounce. It's Otodectus synotus. What the fuck? Sounds like I better write that down. I should make a death metal song with that name in there. There. Got that down. We're going to write a song about that. I don't know when. I wrote down many weird songs about. You ever heard of the aphotic zone? It's Greek for really deep. Okay, fucking. Okay. Anyways, let's read about this shit right here. What are ear mites? The ear mite is a surface mite that lives on cats and dogs, rabbits, and ferrets. It is usually found in the ear canal, but it can also live inside the skin surface. The entire ear mite life cycle takes place on animals. Cats become infested by direct contact with another infested animal. Flippy, who you been out with outside this house? I don't know if that's got anything to do with it. I have no idea if she knows any other cats around here. She probably goes "Rear!" around those other cats. My cat does. She's really smart. She knows that she cannot. I don't know. It's like never mind. Never mind. Okay. What are clinical signs of ear mites? Ear mites are the most common cause of feline ear disease. So she does have quite a disease if she does not get this treatment. And I'm going to give her that treatment. I am. I'll put it straight in her ear. Because that's what the doctor said. The vet. Whatever. And infestations are most common in kittens and young cats, although cats of any age can be affected. Clinical signs of infestation vary in severity from one cat to another and include combinations of ear irritation causing scratching, just scratching, okay, not searching, okay. At the ears are head shaking. So I've been seeing her shake her head a little bit, but not a whole lot. A dark, waxy, or crusty discharge from the ear. Areas of hair loss. I don't think she has hair loss either. She's still fluffy. Scratching or excessive grooming. Yeah, she is grooming excessively. A crusted rash around the ear. Yes, she does have a crusted rash around the ear. An aural hematoma, a large blood blister caused by rupture of small blood vessels between the skin. These are I'm just reading about it. I'm not saying that specifically that this cat has that, but she does have crusties in her ear, not blood vessel problems. No, I don't see that at all. This is just other things, okay? One thing leads to another, okay? You don't just say, this cat has yeah, no, it goes like, one thing leads to another. Some people say, oh yeah, this guy right here, he is gay. But the thing is, this guy's an actor, okay? He's not acting. He's not being gay. He's acting like he's gay, which means he's not gay at all. Okay? Stop it. Who am I talking about? I don't know. I'm straight. No homo. Okay. Well, we're already we already diagnosed the cat. So let's go down to. Yeah, okay. Wait. Yep, that's what I gotta do. In this picture, what? Oh, whatever.